unboxing, we're going to go over how to make calls and how to answer the phone when someone calls you. Let's start with how to answer the phone. I'm going to initiate a call. Okay, so call's coming through. If you want to answer it, take your finger and put it on the green button and just drag up like this. To put the phone on speaker, you'll press the speaker button like this, and then you'll hear the call out loud versus just in the receiver. And if you want to add someone to the call, you'll press the add call button, and then it'll let you type in another phone number to add. And you can also switch between using the phone to answer the call. And when you're all done and you're ready to end the call, press the red button. And that's how you stop the call. So that's what it will look like when a call comes through. Now let's go over how to make a call. Tap on the green button in the up bottom left corner. This is your phone button. You're going to go to keypad. And from here, you can type in a phone number to call. Let me type in a number now. Here's a phone number. Obviously, area code and then the number. Press the green button to initiate the call. Okay? And when the call connects, you'll see it begin to count up right here. Same options, speakerphone, mute, button to add a call, hold, and when you're all done, simply press the red button to end the call. Now, one helpful tip here is to program phone numbers into the phone so you don't always have to type in the number. So one way to do that is to add them as a contact. So let me show you the easiest way to do that. You'll type in a phone number. So I typed in this phone number, and let's say I want to save this number to the phone. I'm going to tap on the plus in the corner right here, and then it will give me the option to create a new contact. I'm going to tap create a new contact. Now the first thing it'll ask me is, where do you want these numbers to save? Always save them to the Google account, the one that has the G. I'm going to tap on the Google account and then type in the name. I've got the name programmed, the phone number. You can add another number by hitting the plus right here. You can also add other information, email. You can hit view more and you can add other pieces of information as detailed as you want it to be. When you're all done, hit the save button. And now Joe is saved into my phone. So that'll make it easier for me to call Joe next time. Now, the second thing you can do is in the upper right corner, you're going to tap on the three dots right here and tap on speed dial numbers. And here you can actually program folks into your phone as a speed dial. So all you have to do is press the appropriate number and it'll take you right to that contact. So I'm going to type in Joe, the number we just saved, Joe A. And then I'm going to select it. Now, Joe is saved as my speed dial number 2. If I want to call Joe, I simply am going to go into the phone app, make sure I'm on the keypad, and just press the number 2. And now, Joe is the first name that will come up right here. You see that? So I press the 2, and then I'm just going to press the green button. So all I'm going to do is tap on Joe. It'll add in his phone number, and then I can press the green button to call Joe. So that is a brief rundown of saving contacts and also adding them as a speed dial to make it easier for you to get to numbers faster. If you found the video helpful, make sure you bump that like button down below. On the left here, you'll find a link to the full video this was from. That'll give you more beginner information on how to use the A16. And on the right side here, you're going to find a playlist with all my other A16 videos. So if you want to learn more about this phone, check out these two resources right here. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.